Hi guys, I'm Zohan. Welcome to ZaTaYaYummy. Today on ZaTaYaYummy, I'm going to show you how to make impressive Christmas tree in a pot. It is great as a Christmas gift for your family and friends. So, to start off, here are the following ingredients that you'll need.
There's really things and candy dreams and every kind of toy. A tree is set up twinkling with my favorite kind of lights.
To make the Christmas tree cookies, in a large bowl, whisk together plain flour, baking powder, salt and cinnamon. In a mixing bowl, lightly cream butter and icing sugar until light and pale.
Filling up my Christmas list, my favorite time of year for Christmas.
Mix in 1 egg and vanilla extract. Throw in flour mixture and mix on low speed until just combine. Transfer into a cling wrap and let it cool in the freezer for at least 20 minutes. Dust your countertop with some flour. Roll out your dough until half a centimeter thickness. Cut out shapes using a Christmas tree cutter that has been coated with flour.
All around this happy town, good tidings fill the air.
Re-roll if needed to repeat.
Fallen snow, sleigh will soon appear.
Transfer into a baking tray lined with baking paper. Let it set in the fridge while you preheat your oven to 180 degree or 160 degree fan force. Bake it in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes.
Wishes come true the same time every year, when every light twinkles and you're filled with cheer. Since long, long ago we've been hoping for snow as we
let it cool while you make your royal icing. To make your royal icing, beat egg white, vanilla extract and salt together until frothy. Gradually add in icing sugar while beating the mixture on high speed.
We'll hold those memories close of the look in their eyes of joy.
Beat on high speed for 5 minutes until thick, glossy and stiff.
Wishes come true the same.
Divide the icing into 4 parts. 1 tablespoon for white, red and yellow icing respectively, while the rest for green. Color them using food coloring.
Songs will be sung and we'll join with loved ones to celebrate anew on the night when dreams come.
Wrap it in a cling film if you are not using any moment as it will dry out. Transfer your royal icing into a piping bag individually. Pipe an outer layer of green icing for each Christmas tree. This is called outlining. Let the icing set for at least 5 minutes before filling it up with green icing that has been slightly diluted with some water for easy flooding. After filling it up, Let it set for at least an hour until the whole grain icing has been set.
Something soon will come. We'll hold those memories close of the look.
Decorate the cookies with the different colors of icing to your liking. Let it set.
Wishes come true the same time every year, when hearts open wide and every smile sincere. Oh, songs will be sung and we'll join with loved ones to celebrate anew on the night when dreams come true.
To make the pot cookies, preheat oven to 180 degree or 160 degree fan force. In a bowl, whisk together plain flour, cinnamon, salt, and baking soda. In a mixing bowl, cream together butter and both sugars until light and fluffy. Add in 1 egg yolk and vanilla extract. Gradually mix in some of the flour mixture until combined. Fold in chopped dark chocolates. Transfer tablespoonful worth of dough into mini cupcake pan. Bake it in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Once it is out from the oven, immediately coat the end of every Christmas tree with melted chocolate and squash it into the center of every pot cookies. Let it cool in the fridge and serve, or wrap it up as a Christmas gift. If you guys like to know more about my upcoming recipes, do follow my Facebook page or follow me on my Instagram.